All right, guys, check this out. Always double check your stuff. Traxxas X01 right here. I was trying to take out this lead and switch them around at the same time. This one just came out on its own, and this is what I discovered. Look at that. Look at the ESC right there, and there's the connector. So maybe we can solder this back together. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna call on my friend. I'm gonna remove this whole thing up, but that's what happened there, guys. I was gonna go out there this Sunday, tomorrow, run this baby. This thing had a whole new setup. Check out the shocks. Got tubing removed. We put some steel stuff in there, so should have been a perfectly solid planted to the ground. But this is what happened. Anyways, I'm gonna figure this out, and maybe we can solder this back together. Okay, so I decided I'm not going out there tomorrow unless this baby is fixed or replaced. So I'm gonna try my best. We're gonna try to solder this back together. So I removed all the bolts for the fan, and they really had to, but I want to just take as much as I can apart. There's the fan. This baby can sit right there. We're gonna remove the bolts all around it, all around the ESC, all the bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, and we'll get this cover off. And the connector should be easier to remove after that. Okay, so there we have it. We're gonna try to resolder this baby right in there. So my friend is coming and he's gonna help me. He's an expert at this shit. But like I said, I'm not going out there without fixing this. I'll put another one in. And this is refurbished. They gave me this under warranty. So the shitty people at Traxxas did a shitty job. And I know I didn't overheat this guy. And all I did was try to remove these two, and this came with it. And that's what happened there. All right, so the plan here is we're going to heat this up. And tap a little bit here, solder, a little bit here, and then just shoot it in there. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, that's fine. Remember, my solder is not the best tip. You want to use this? Why don't you heat this up to the top piece?
Hold it. Let it be liquid. This fucking solder sucks. Man, this just sucks. It's not even melting. Damn. It's not even melting, see? See it?
Yeah.
No, it's not melting now. Fucking rock there. There you go. This fucking solder sucks. Not even melting, yeah.
All right, try heating that up.
You don't have a thing, right?
Try no, do this. Look. You gotta start the flow.
Oh, to heat it up?
Yeah. Let me give it a tap, right?
Yeah.
Then it's gonna pick up the heat.
Yeah, but it should be liquid. You know what I'm saying? You like right there. That's liquid. You see it? This motherfucker's gotta go in here.
Tap that so it can start getting hot.
It's gotta be liquid though. You see, it's not liquid. This has gotta be real liquid. It's not melting. It's not melting.
All right, do this. Yeah, do that. I'm gonna give it a tap.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me get it right. Hold on, let me get it right. Let me get it right. Hold on. Ouch, this bitch hot.
Hey, lift this. I'm gonna put my finger down here. I'll hold this shit from moving. Go ahead. We're trying. There you go.
Hit it again. Fucking bitch, bro.
There you go, you got it. Even if it stands up, it's fine.
Yeah, but it's not. Over here. A little bit more. Right there. No, not this way. Wait, let it be there a little bit. Wait a minute. Leave it right there for a little bit. And then we're gonna do the side. You see the side over here? You see it over here? Do a little bit right there.
Ready?
Wait. Go. Let it, yeah.
That's it. Take it off. That should be good.
Let me see something. Hold on.
We did it.
Mine's is like that too.
Yeah, it's gonna stick up a bit. So I'm gonna
Mine's is sticked up a little bit. Let me see something.
Okay, so there it is. It's fixed. Can't get a good. There you go. Okay, so it's not gonna be perfect. Okay, you don't want to put too much heat, and you don't want other stuff to melt to the right or to the left. So the best way to do it is if you heat this up and just drop that on it and let it melt into it, because it's already soldering there. If you want to tap it a bit like we did, it's fine. But it is gonna look a little awkward. But as long as it runs, let's see how it reacts. There you go. We're gonna put this back into the car. Okay, so we fixed the ESC. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this positive to positive, negative to negative. That's negative, right? There you go. Perfect. There you go. All right, so my controller's on. We're gonna start this up. Okay, so we're gonna try again. I had the connector wrong here, so I'm gonna turn this baby on. There you go. I got right and left. Let me fix this battery. Can you hold on to the car? I'm gonna go forward. And back. All right, perfect. Saved $200, $290.
You owe me.
I owe you a coffee and a lot of beers. If it gives me 130 miles per hour, I owe everybody pizza and lunch.
All right, that's a bet.
Okay, so all done and ready to go, guys. You guys are gonna see this on my channel. Everything is nice and solid. So hopefully you guys are inspired by it, don't throw your ESC out. Try to fix it. If you damage it afterwards, no problem. It was already done. Deal. You could try the warranty with Castle, but they're probably gonna deny it. Anyways, thank you for watching my video, guys. Stay tuned, and a few more runs coming up on this baby. So my friend got a Fortec. He's gonna get a big number probably. Check out his channel. Link down below. Got metal gear in this baby. This is 34. Forgot what it was. 34, 31, I think. Yep, something like that. Let me see if I can see from over here. Yeah, it doesn't tell me. It doesn't show me. Let me see if I can get a glimpse of it. All right, so that's it. I can't tell the gearing, but drive shaft's looking good. We got sway bars on this baby. We got the linkages down here, and we did some metal tubing in here. None of the other stuff. No more of fuel lines. The fuel lines that break internally. I got metal on the inside as well, so this is nice and stiff. It's not gonna ride down on it. Plus, if you got Ghana banana foam tires on this baby, she's gonna be a beast. Let's see what she can do. I'm trying to beat 100 since we did 100 already with this baby. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.